Hello everybody, today's video is how to install more NVMe SSD storage onto your laptop or PC. In my case, I'll be using an OMEN 16-inch laptop. It takes maybe 5 minutes and anybody can do this with just a small Phillips head screwdriver and a new NVMe SSD. Just a quick warning everybody, be very careful and gentle with all your screws as they seem to strip pretty easy on the laptop. Install an NVMe SSD on a laptop. My laptop is the OMEN 16. However, this should work on about 99% of newer laptops as well as PCs. So I have already removed all my screws so that it's a little quicker and I don't have to waste time on the video for it. The back of my laptop is actually pretty hard to pull apart, but if you just kind of wiggle your fingers in there, it should come apart. You might need to use a tool. The only tool we're going to need for the entire process is going to be this little screwdriver that was to remove all the screws on the back of the laptop, as well as to remove this one little screw right here. So we have our NVMe SSD here. Here is our other one that came with the laptop. I believe it's 556 gigs. This one's going to be another 500 gigabytes of fast memory for my laptop. All we're going to have to do in here is remove this screw. And then plug this guy right in here. Then we're going to push it down. Put that screw right back in there. And screw it back in. Alright, so now all we've got to do, take the back of the laptop, pop it on. We'll have to push it in on all these portions. Then we'll get it to fit in all the way. You can screw in the 8 screws that hold the laptop together.